This side Pankaj, and from today onwards I have started one series where I will take every day one question, and this series will consist of many questions which will be helpful for your JEE preparations. So without wasting time, let's start our series. And like as you can see, we have one question on the screen which says car B overtakes another car A at a relative speed of 40 meter per second. Okay, so basically as we can see, the first line is saying we have one car B and one more car A, and car B is trying to overtake the car A with the relative speed of 40 meter per second. Okay, no issues with that. Now how fast will the image of the car B will appear? So they are asking us like how fast the image of car B will appear to move in the mirror of focal length 10 centimeter fitted in which car? Car A. And one more thing they are saying, when the car B is 1.9 meter away from the car A. So let's draw one diagram, and once again I will explain the question. So question is saying we have two cars. Okay, so this is our one car and this is our second car. So let's name it. This is the car number B, this is the car number A. Both are moving in the same direction, and the car B is trying to overtake the car A. One more thing, in car A we have one mirror which is being fit here, and focal length of that mirror we have been given which is 10 centimeter. Okay, so focal length is 10 centimeter. And one more thing, we know that the mirror which is always fitted in a car is basically your convex mirror. So focal length of convex mirror is positive. Okay, now next thing, like relative speed they have given. So relative speed of car A with respect to B is basically given in the question. As you can see, it is 40 meter per second. Okay, 40 meter per second. And they are asking like what will be the speed of the image. As you can see, how fast will the image of car B will appear, they are asking. Okay, let me show you, like how fast will the image of car B will appear to move in the mirror. Okay, and this mirror is fitted in the car A. Let's proceed then. So as we can see here, focal length is given, speed of car AB is given, and one more thing is object distance, that is the distance of car B from car A. It is also mentioned in the question. And this distance, how much they have given? Basically it is 1.9 meter. Okay, it will act as basically your object distance. Okay, so object distance is basically 1.9 meter. So which concept we should use? So remember everyone, like the key concept which we are going to use here is, we have one formula, and that formula is basically velocity of image is minus square of transverse magnification into velocity of object. This is the key concept which we are going to use in this question. Now we have the velocity of the object, we want to find the velocity of image. The one thing which I will going to need is transverse magnification. So for finding the transverse magnification, you can use first mirror formula. Like you know that mirror formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. With the help of this formula, you can find the value of image distance, and once you have the value of image distance, you can find basically transverse magnification. Okay, so let's try to do this. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So focal length, how much they have given? Like 10 centimeter. We will have to convert it into meter. So conversion, divide by 100 image distance we don't know, object distance is always negative, which is nothing but 1 upon 1.9. okay, all distances I have kept in the meter. Now after simplification, this 0 and 0 will get cancelled out. It will be basically 10 is equals to 1 by V. It will be 10 by basically 19. So 10 plus 10 by 19 is equals to 1 by V. Now next thing will be basically cross multiplication, or we can take the LCM also. After taking the LCM, it will become basically 190 plus 10 by 19 is equals to 1 by V. It means 200 by 19 is equals to 1 by V. So our image distance V will be equals to basically 19 by 200 meter. This is the value of image distance we got. So once we got the value of image distance, next task is to find transverse magnification. So what is the formula we have for transverse magnification? Transverse magnification MT is nothing but minus V by U. Okay, so what is the value of V we got? V is basically 19 by 200, and object distance we know that it was 1.9, and we know that object distance is always negative, so I am keeping it as a minus 1.9. Now we know that this 1.9 can be written as 19 by 10, and this minus and minus will get cancel out, so it will become 19 by 10. So 19 and 19 will get cancel out, 0 and 0 will again get cancel out, so transverse magnification value is basically your 1 by 20. okay, so one more thing we got, which is our transverse magnification. Now only the last thing we have to find, which I have already mentioned in the key concept, that is velocity of image. So velocity of image is minus times of mt square. So what is the value of mt we got? 1 by 20. Its square will be 1 by 400, or you can write 1 by 20 into 1 by 20. And what is the velocity of object they have given? Object is basically B, so its speed is given as 40 meter per second, because they have given the relative speed, so I am going to use relative only. So this 0 and 0 will get cancelled out, this 2 2s are basically 4, it will get cancelled out, so Vi will be equals to minus 1 by 10. That means velocity of image will be minus 0.1 meter per second, and they are asking us to find the speed, so of course speed will be 0.1 meter per second. Let's check the options. So option number 4 you can see, which is 0.1 meter per second. So this will be our final answer.